Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay, Two of Swords. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay. Cards are jumping. Capricorn, cards are jumping. I think you want to end things with this person, and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio and Virgo especially. So maybe for some you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, but there is lots of communication is coming towards you. There is some moment in your situation coming towards you. There is some moment is coming and there is lots of communication is coming towards you, Capricorn. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Two of Swords, Wheel of Fortune and Nine of Cups. So you are in some confusion state. You are very indecisive about to make some decision. Here Two of Swords is here. You don't know which decision you have to make and you are very confused. But this is a temporary, because then Wheel of Fortune is here. Your confusion will go away. You will be make some decision, but it will take some time because right now you are very confused state. In very confused state. And Nine of Cups is here. Your wishes are going to be granted. So that is a very temporary confusion. You will be make some decision. Okay. Then present Four of Pentacles, Ace of Wands and the Hermit. So you decided to holding back, especially in relationship. So you want to protect your emotions. That's why you want to decide to hold back. And Ace of Wands and the Hermit. Maybe you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You decided to holding back then, but you may started working towards your career and goals. There is a lot of passion is there towards your work. You are very passionate towards your work, Capricorn, but you are undergoing spiritual awakening. You are not contacting anybody. You undergoing spiritual awakening. Then future, King of Cups, Four of Swords and Five of Swords. But someone is coming towards you to offer this cup of love to you. For some it could be past, for some it could be new. Depends on your situation. But someone is ready to offer this cup of love to you, King of Cups. But still you are healing yourself. Maybe you have some past hurts. That's why you want to heal yourself. And there is a lot of drama. And maybe your person backstabbed on you, cheated on you, lied to you. So there is something. Maybe you have no trust on this person. That's why you are undergoing some spiritual awakening to heal yourself from past hurts and doing meditation. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, lot of air energy, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Star. They're hoping, they're wishing, what they're hoping. Let's see. Their feelings towards you, Capricorn. Your person feelings towards you. Five of Swords again. I think they know they hurt you. Now they realize the mistake. They're coming back for the wish. They're thinking that they want second chance. They're coming back for second chances because justice, marriage, and Ace of Cups is here. They realized their love towards you. They have so much love for you. Ace of Cups is here and Princess of Cups. Yeah, they realized your love. Definitely they want to offer their cup of love to you and they're coming back for second chances and they want to fix the things between both of you. So let's see their actions. These are their thoughts. Let's see their actions towards you, Capricorn. they're watching you, they're obsessed with you, and they still want rebirth. Six of Swords, there is communication is coming. For some it could be long distance relationship. They want to fix the things between both of you, and they are obsessed with you. For some, your person is very dominative in this connection. Maybe in past there is no commitment in this connection. That's why maybe you are, well, maybe you decided to holding back. For some, there is no contact situation also. So that's because this person for some is very toxic for you. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra and Capricorn. But they are spying on you, social media, and they still want rebirth in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, Four of Swords, Princess of Cups, and Hangman. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot, and they also doing meditation. Maybe they are also healing themselves, and maybe after spiritual awakening they realize your worth. And Princess of Cups, they are coming back with an apology. They know they hurt you. Now they realize their mistake. They're coming back for second chances. They still want rebirth in this connection, Capricorn. But you are thinking, and again this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, but you are decided to being cold on them because King of Swords, you are now thinking through your logical mind, not your heart, because you are now super stable. You are totally on your control, Capricorn. So they realize their mistake, they hurt you, and they're coming back. I think you don't like that type of behavior. That's why you want to cut off this person from, because heartbroken. They are heartbroken, they're missing you. You also heartbroken. That's why you decided to move on. Wow. Yeah, you decided to move on. One person is missing other person and one person is moving on in this connection. So let's see your overall energy, Capricorn. Seven of Cups. They may be giving you false hope in past, but you stand by your power. They keep putting you in waiting mode. Maybe for some you still waiting for this person, and there is lot of drama. Very few waiting for your person to come back. So let's see your person overall energy. I think there is no trust between both of you, especially you are not trusting them anymore. Now they're ready to work on this relationship. It is slow but stable. Maybe for some, your person have ego problems. Yeah, they know you ended this connection with them, but still they're wishing, still they want rebirth in this connection. If you let them in, reconciliation will happen. Otherwise, it doesn't happen. It did not happen. So if you let them in, it will happen. Otherwise, it will not happen. It's totally up to you. The decision is in your hands, Capricorn. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Healing, yeah, you both are undergoing some healing, especially you. Past life connection. I am very attracted to you, and I am not feel good enough for you. Friendship. For some, you both are very good friends also. New love is coming for some, those who want to move on from this person. Don't worry, a new love is coming towards you. So they are very attracted to you. And healing, friendship, past life connection, they feel they are not feel good enough for you. These are the messages. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Capricorn. But they are obsessed with you. They still want rebirth. Luck is on your side, Capricorn. So decision is in your hands and luck is on your side, especially new moon in Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.